Are you thinking of selling your home or have sold your home and you're worried about finding a replacement home? With all the buyers competing for homes right now, what can you do? Stay tuned. I'm Glen Nelson with Realty One Group West, and today we're going to talk about an alternative to competing with all the buyers desperately trying to buy a home. That alternative is looking for homes off market. With housing inventory so low, there is a big pent-up supply of sellers for whatever reason who have not put their home on the market. That could be that they don't want to deal with the hassle of getting their home ready to put on the market, multiple showings, open houses, etc. Or it could be that they are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home. So what are some of the ways to search for off-market homes? Most of these can and will be done by your agent, but you can help your agent with some of the information that the agent will need in using to research and find potential homes. All of these will include details about what type of home you're looking for, what neighborhoods you like, how much down payment you can make, the status of your pre-approval, or even better, if you are fully underwritten by your lender, and what terms you are willing to make to the seller. All of these points can be really important to the seller, and that's what your agent can use to put you in the best position with that potential seller. The other thing that makes it more appealing to a potential seller is a motivated buyer with favorable terms that is ready, willing, and able to purchase right away without the seller having to prepare their home for sale, having multiple showings, or open houses. That takes a lot of pressure and stress off the potential seller. So let's dive into the possible steps for this strategy. Number one, send a video to neighborhoods that is the target for you as a buyer, either by video, email, or targeted Facebook and Instagram ads. Number two, prepare a YouTube video of your request and have a YouTube ad targeted to those neighborhoods. Number three, send a letter to all homeowners in the neighborhoods with details of the request. Number four, send a postcard also to all homeowners in the neighborhoods. Number five, if phone numbers are available to your agent, have your agent contact the homeowners and discuss if they are interested in selling if the terms and price were right. Number six, have your agent knock on all doors in the neighborhood with a flyer that can be left with the homeowner, whether they are answer the door or it is just left on the front step. Number seven, have your agent contact all homes that were on the market but did not sell over the last year and find out their interest in selling. Now, while this plan does not guarantee that you will find an off-market property to buy, it does provide more opportunities beyond just fighting with multiple buyers for homes as they come on the multiple listing service. Let us know your thoughts on this strategy in the comments below. If you've been thinking about buying or selling real estate in this market, we'd love to talk to you so that we can help you navigate the challenges and opportunities in this market. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos. And we'll see you next time.